Here we have a Harry that still hasn't been bothered to get up yet, even though I'm going out. You watching my video?
Yeah.
Say good morning to the chumps.
Good morning, chumps.
Goodbye, Harry. Have a nice day. Okay, good morning, everybody. And I look really weird because... How do I explain it?
What, that you're full of cold or that you're going to work?
No, I'm going to work.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah, I'm going to work, which is really weird. And probably, like... I don't know if it's going to be a regular thing or what's actually happening, but I found like a weekend job, which you're probably thinking like, no, you won't be able to vlog, but it's mainly going to be on Sundays, and I'm sorry if I sound really awful, like I literally can't breathe. Sorry, that's disgusting. So mainly it's going to be on Sundays, so vlogging should still be fine, but I am there today, but only for like 6 hours, and I'm going to a party tonight, so I thought it was still worth vlogging, even though I have the world's most sore throat ever, and I kind of can't feel it at the moment because I've got about 3 different drugs inside of me, so you know, but when it wears off, and I still sound kind of gross, so all the people where I work are going to be like, ooh, we don't want her breathing on the food, because I work in a cafe but on the till kind of thing, and like doing cold drinks. I'll vlog now while there's nobody in here. It's really awkward in here, even though there's nobody here. I'm on my break. I have a break now that I'd work. It's really weird, like, I don't want this to disrupt my vlogging, but at the same time, like, it's good experience and I'm earning money from it, and like, YouTube is not like a job at the moment for me. Sort of is, but like, you know. So this is really, really good and I really love it, and the people are really nice here. I'm not going to say where I work just like yet, because if you live in Beverley you might come follow me. But yeah, I'm on my break. Having some lunch. It's like 2 o'clock and I get to leave at 3 today. I've been in since 9, so 6 hours, but that's not too bad. Last week I did like 8, so yeah. The life of somebody that works. I'm basically eating a cheese sandwich out of a locker. But I did get a free what's the word for it, brownie. Alrighty guys, I am back home now. I'm still sniffing, but yeah, sorry about that. I feel like this vlog's going to be a bit shorter now, but I'm going out tonight and I have to get ready and like all that stuff because it's my friend Jess. It's my friend Jess. Oh my, how do you say that? My friend Jess had her birthday last week, basically. But yeah, I don't feel like I clarified what actually happened. Basically, this new shopping place opened in Beverley, which is where I live, and I turned 16 the same week that it opened, so my birthday, whenever that was, like 2 months ago. No, a month ago. Oh my god, that was only a month ago. Anyway, yeah. And so I went into all the shops, I was like, dropped my CV off, and then I got offered a job in one of the cafes, so that's what happened. And then I went for a trial last Sunday. But it's like alternate days on a weekend, so it's not going to be every Saturday, so don't worry, like vlogs are going to be okay. And throughout December I'm going to be doing Vlogmas, so if you are without a vlog, it's okay because there's going to be loads of vlogs going up, so it's not like it's going to really affect it. It's going to be really good. The pay is quite good, like it's all going to be really good. So I'm going to be able to fund a lot more stuff, and like the money I'm earning I'm going to put back into YouTube, so that eventually if YouTube ever became a job, which is unlikely, but if it did, then I've been like preparing myself for that now. So like buying lighting, buying proper camera equipment, like I literally feel like I was just out of focus that whole entire thing, so I'm sorry about that. Sound like Elvis. Yeah, I was out of focus. Well, no, it wasn't. There was a fingerprint on the lens. Anyway, let's go. My room is so cold because there's no light. I mean, no, nobody's been in it all day. Oh, also, it snowed. While I was at work, it was snowing. You're really high up, sorry. It was like proper snowing, like really. I wish I could have vlogged it, but you know, I couldn't. But I'm sure it'll snow again at some point this winter. Let me know in the comments if you've had snow. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, and talking about snow, who's seen Mockingjay? I went to see Mockingjay on the day it came out, actually. I feel like I shouldn't be, like, I should get changed before I talk to you, but whatever. I went to see Mockingjay the day it was released. I have mixed opinions on it. Personally, I don't think it's as good as some of the others that they've made, but, and like, generally I feel like they could have made the ending a bit better. Like, I know the book wasn't brilliant, but I don't know, there were a lot of moments where I was like, oh my god, what's gonna happen? And it was like so tense and like scary bits and loud bits and like really, really, really well put together bits. And then there were just some bits that were a bit like I don't know. I don't want to like be a critic, but it just wasn't as good as the last two. Like, I don't know, I think Catching Fire is still the best. And there's a massive fingerprint on my windowsill of eyeshadow. Lovely. Right, what colour eyeshadow shall I wear tonight? What shall I wear tonight? So my mum bought these yesterday for us to share as like a joint Christmas present because I don't know if you remember, in like early October, Jenny lent me hair colours because I don't have any that work. I like have a pair, but a set. I don't know, I have a wand, but it's not very good. So my mum saw these in like Asda, I think, and they're reduced and we're going to get them share, like, and they're really good because they're the same brand. So instead of doing anything productive when I should be revising for my mock exams, which start tomorrow for you guys, I'm going to curl my hair because, you know, why not? It's also freezing in here, and I've got changed into this little Mickey Mouse jumper, which is so cute. It says limited edition, and then it's Mickey, and this is actually from Disney World. So it came with this little glove and it's red, which is funky. I'm going to turn it on now. Oh, look at that display. And I'm going to whop it up to 210. Oh, it goes up to 220. I'm going to go to 10. Actually, maybe I'll go 200. Don't want my hair to set on fire. And I have used a heat protector. I've used this L'Oreal Paris Hot and Smooth Hot Straight Cream 3-day straight thermo protected technology. It's for straight hair, but you know, it basically is just a heat protector. This is becoming my life, this website. It's not even a well-designed website. AQA, literally they're going to be the death of me. I'm just doing... No, I'm not talking to you. I did just say I'm going to vlog. Yeah, I've got papers and papers.
Snow.
Thank you. Is it forecast to snow again?
Perhaps so. No, I don't think so.
I'm not entirely sure this is the right thing either, Harry.
You said the AQA thing.
I did say the AQA thing. I can't even find them. I've printed out so many, I don't even know where they are. Was there another thing on my desk? Respond to the question. It's a yes/no question.
No.
Right, okay. Yeah. See, the bad part about this is my distraction. I've got all these tabs open, so I've got, and then I've got this, so it's like so hard to stay focused on this, and I think they should make this interactive. So AQA, Harry, do you want to just stop that for 1 sec? AQA, if you're watching, make your website interactive so that I can do the past paper online without having to print it out, please, because it saves so much time. Guess whose bedroom has the worst lighting in the world? That's me. Literally, right, this light is so bad. Like, the actual thing, that's really pretty. The light bulb is a joke. Anyway, you literally can't see me. Maybe if I stand like this, it's better. I've just reapplied my eyeshadow. I have Decay from the Naked palette. I have slanted on this bit of my eye, and then I think it's called Armour. That is a French word that I can't say. Armour. Don't even know what I'm trying to say. Through the crease, and then I just reapplied my mascara, and I'm going to go down and put my Rimmel 05 Kate Moss lipstick on because I feel like it matches, like, it's just a bit darker than a nude pink. And I've got these fluffy socks, and I might bring this bag with me. Oh, I thought they were downstairs. Oh, my makeup's in here. Alrighty, this is the lipstick. I'll show you what I mean. It's like just darker than a nude pink. And Erin is coming to pick me up. My hair has gone a bit wild. Like, it's been in a bun all day. And then I just curled the front with that wand, and then I got a bit bored because I knew that I had to do English, so I just did the front. Going?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so I thought I'd do an outfit of the day. I don't know if you can see me. Can they see me?
Not really. There you go.
Yeah, okay, I'm wearing this top, which I already told you is from Disney. This is my Miss Selfridge coat, which I wear all the time. It looks to you like I never wear anything else. Then I've got my ripped jeans from New Look, cheeky. And then my tartan boots from New Look also. And then I've got these super cute stripy socks on. Credit to the mother for that one, thanks. Thanks. I'm waiting for Erin. Dun, 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 dun. Is that a headlight I see?
Show the picture you took of.
Alrighty, I'm here. I think somebody might be at your door, Jess. We're here with Chloe, Jenny, Jess, Katie, Gabby and Erin. Gabby I've already seen today because Gabby came in to see me at work and bought a load of stuff that confused me quite a lot, but I think handled it okay. It was like the busiest hour.
I didn't like the meal.
I haven't tried the food. I haven't tried the food, I can't comment. But yeah, Erin is looking very ravishing. We're having like a lazy...
Is that Daisy?
Chloe, I love your thing. Where's it from?
I don't know, but
Oh, I really like it. Oh yeah, I got Erin these things. We're kind of twinning, but I nearly wore the dotty ones, but I have
What?
I have our fluffy socks on.
My mum's claimed them as hers. She was like, "You're not having them back." And I was like, "No, they're my Alfie slippers." But
My Alfie slippers. Yeah.
yeah, and then Jess has a nice new tartan thingy on from
That
H&M.
I recommended. She should buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, it's Jess's birthday party by the way.
I'm gonna put my onesie on, but I'm not really feeling this vibe, so I'm not gonna do the pictures ATM. I took this photo!
Oh, they're the flamingo on pictures.
Also, I took this photo!
Oh, we're all so
Also, I took
cute.
this photo.
Okay, right. I'm vlogging. Hold on. Jess is getting me a straw. Are you testing for holes in straws?
You'll have to drink out of it to test it.
Alrighty.
If it doesn't work.
I'll go. Yeah, I know how to. Right, let's test it. That's fine. And then one for Erin as well. Yep. Do you want me to test that one as well? Yeah, fine. Yeah, we're watching Chicago soon, aren't we?
Yes.
And we've just got food, and I'm helping Jess with my waitressing ability, so I need to get my other hand, so I'm going to stop vlogging. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Everywhere we go.
When I started, that was like really out tune.
Everywhere we go.
Chloe's knees look so funny.
Oh, your flash is like a
I'm sorry, I don't know why the flash is on. I did just turn it off, but apparently I didn't.
Apparently not.
I know. We have put Chicago on.
Woo! I bought it from a charity shop for £1.
Did you actually? That's so good.
I saw it today.
That's so good. I have a copy of it, I think.
Bad. Has anybody heard of the word techers?
No.
Sorry?
Didn't think so. Thank you very
Why?
much.
Who's saying that?
Alice Day. Because I know it's like weird whole talk, and I'm like, what? Go.
No.
Like,
My gun, I used to both reach for the gun, for the gun.
Oh my god.
I wish you found. I wish you found. Because she really says it. Oh yes. That's disgusting. It's too dark. I don't think you can see it.
Lying if I said it wasn't something that I'm into.
Excuse me, it's not my phone.
can you vlog?
Yeah.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Ew, hi, I look gross right now. Yeah,
Alrighty, so I am back now. I am not going to, no, I accidentally forgot to vlog coming home, but I brought Katie and Erin home, and I'm a Celeb is on now. We're just watching that. Had a really nice time, so Jess, if you're watching, thank you for that. We got a bit hyper towards the end, it was really funny. Oh my god, it's so cold in my room, literally. Yeah, I'm going to get my pyjamas on. Sorry, my phone just cut out because I have no storage, so this is going to be a fun one to edit. But anyways, I was saying, who's your favourite on I'm a Celeb? Leave it in the comments. Mine is George Shelley because he's very good looking. I've met him at IRL and he's equally good looking. And he just seems really sweet and like he wants to give everybody a hug. Anyway, I'm getting my pyjamas on now. And then I need to edit this video, go to sleep, and then get up in the morning. I need to film 2 videos in the morning. And then I need to do an entire day's worth of revision because I guess he's probably going to fail all the mock exams. So yeah, that's what's happening. And I'm going to make hot chocolate for myself because I'm really thirsty. Okay guys, I've just been looking back through my channel. Like, this was the start of the year. It's come so far, like 200 views, 300 views, 600 views. This video has 21,000 views. Look at that. That's so insane. I'll leave a link to that in the description. I don't know how many of you guys will have seen it. Probably most of you, but if you haven't, also I don't know what this bit of hair is, go and comment on it. It's summer, it just went crazy. Jumps from 600 views to 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 8,000 views. Like, it's insane. And hopefully 10,000 subscribers soon. But anyway, I'm going to end my vlog now. I've got myself a hot chocolate here. Although it's not that chocolatey. And I'm going to edit this video now. So, good night everybody. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Sorry that the morning / afternoon was a bit mismatched, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I shall see you on Tuesday with possibly the winner of my giveaway. Maybe. Not saying anything. So if you haven't entered my giveaway, I'll leave that the top line in the description, and I'll see you then. Bye guys! Also, if you don't hear from me, it's because I got eaten by exams.